When you're ready and settled, take a nice big exhale and push everything out. When you inhale, try to inhale through the nose into your diaphragm. Light of Hashem, of renewal, of tranquility, of calmness. Nothing else right now matters. And let that move around in your body. Push out all of the nonsense, push out everything holding you back, any distractions. Take a moment just to relax your body from your head, your face, your eyebrows, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, chest, stomach, lower back. Relax it all, let this wave just come over you. Sink into your seat, loosen up your legs, your knees, ankles and toes. Try to just focus on your natural breathing. That's the most important thing to focus on. And listen to me as well. Just make sure you try to regulate your breathing naturally. In, hold it, and out. Hold it, in, hold it, out, hold it. Take another little moment just to let go of any noise, any internal noise, any chaos. Just simply be. You notice any sounds around you, any distractions. If you're at a place where you can't really focus, that's okay. They're there, they're part of this experience. You don't have to fight them. Try to just be aware of the presence of Hashem. The simple fact that if you're alive right now, you're connected to Hashem. Yearn to feel that, to know that, to tangibly know that Hashem is here with you right now. Call out for the light of Hashem to come down on you. Hashem, please reveal yourself to me. As the light starts to come down, the light of Hashem starts to come down from up above and surround you on all sides. Glowing and expanding, filling up the room and everything around you. Arouse more inside of your heart this sense of feeling of love of Hashem. Hashem coming down to you and wanting to connect to you because you belong and you're precious. Give into the light. Melt into it. Like you're being embraced and held. You might feel a sense of awe coming down that you're not worthy of this. You haven't been acting properly, you're not deserving of it. And there might be a little bit of truth to that. We're not perfect. And we arouse a sense of mercy inside ourselves, for ourselves, to explain why any of those things happened. To forgive ourselves and to realize that we are souls sent down here to a very distant, far world, filled with lust and temptations. At my core, I want to be good. I'm a soul, I'm a light of Hashem, I'm not any different. I am not my actions, I don't want to be them, and I am not them. They're outcomes of different situations and hardships I find myself in. At my core, I'm good and I want to stay good and I want to do good and I want to be better. Me down here, mortal, human, wanting to connect to the most divine source possible, the source of everything, the creator, blessed be He. The splendor and the glory that comes out of that. We all pray together to Hashem to be able to have this mercy and compassion on others, especially those closest to us, ones we live with, that we work with, that we see every single day, not just those farther away. To see the good in them and to not judge them purely on their actions. To know that everybody at their core is just revealing the light of the Creator in a unique way. If that's what they are at the core, then they're not separate from the Creator. They're another revelation of His light. They are not their actions, they are not their mistakes. They are deserving of the light. I am deserving of the light. And I have it. No matter what I see, no matter what I'm experiencing, Hashem is with me right now, right here, watching over everything, taking care of everything. May I always have mercy on myself and others and on Hashem, to know that we all want to do good. We all are good. You can stay in this as long as you want. When you're ready, come back to your breathing, settle in your chair.